Hello, today we will guide you through how to use QR codes in Gmail. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to add QR code functionality to Gmail using a Chrome extension and then use it while composing an email. This is useful if you want to share quick text, links, or other scannable information directly inside your message. To begin, open your browser and go to a Google search page. Search for Chrome extensions so you can access the Chrome Web Store. Once the results appear, click the Chrome Web Store extensions option. This will take you to the place where you can browse and install tools that work inside your Chrome browser. When you're in the store, use the search bar to look for QR code generator for Gmail. Make sure you select the correct extension name so you install the tool intended for Gmail integration. Next, click the Add to Chrome button. Chrome may show a confirmation window with a few prompts about permissions. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After that, the extension should be added to your browser and ready to use. If needed, give it a moment to finish setting up before moving on. Now open another tab and search for Gmail. Click the Gmail result and sign into your account if you are not already logged in. Once your inbox loads, look to the left side of the screen and click the Compose button to start a new email. In the New Message window, fill in the To field with the recipient's email address. It helps to do this first so your draft is ready before adding the QR code. After that, look near the Send button in the menu options at the bottom of the Compose window. Click the QR generator option added by the extension. This should open the QR code tool directly inside your email draft. Now type the text you want the QR code to contain. This could be a short message or any text you want someone to scan and access quickly. Keep your text accurate and easy to read, since the QR code will generate based on exactly what you enter. Once your text is ready, click Insert to Email if you want the QR code placed directly into the message, or choose Download if you would rather save it first and use it separately. In most cases, inserting it directly is the fastest option for sending it right away. Finally, review your email to make sure everything looks correct, then click Send. That's it. You've successfully created and used a QR code in Gmail.